CNC, or computer numerically controlled machining, is a highly skilled process used to make accurate parts for prototyping or manufacturing from a single block of metal or plastic. It is usually used to produce parts or models for pre-production testing, typically in the later stages of the product design cycle. Unlike additive prototyping processes like SLA and FDM, CNC machining takes a single block of plastic or metal and uses an automated programmable milling and cutting process to generate an error-free component part with a high-quality surface finish. Good levels of geometrical detail can be achieved with CNC machining, and properties including rigidity, strength, and heat and moisture resistance can all be readily tested in the resulting part. CNC blocks can be produced from plastic resin, extruded plastic, and metal. Fast turnaround and delivery of CNC machining parts is possible, depending on the requirement. If you're not sure whether CNC machining is the right process for producing your prototype model, contact Prototype Projects. We're here to help.